In today's video, I wanted to share a couple tips and tricks that I've picked up using VS Code writing my Elixir stuff. So here I have my shortlinks.ex, and what I like to do is kind of have the source file along with the test file kind of up at the same time. So I will open up the test file, and then I can hold down Control Command right arrow, and that'll move it to the right split view. If you're looking for a little bit extra room, you can actually hide the sidebar by holding down or Command B. Next up is the collapsing of the files. So if you've got a particularly long file, you can actually use these toggles to kind of collapse different parts of it. And one little trick is if you hold down Shift while you collapse, it'll just collapse the children, which is really nice because then if you have your test file here, you can collapse the children of def module and you'll just see all the different describes, and you can kind of get a sense for do I have a describe for each function that's defined within the source file. If you ever want to locate the source file in the sidebar, you can do reveal in sidebar, and that'll select it within the kind of directory list here. And then finally, if you want to kind of search within a context, so if you want to search just the test files, you can do find in folder. And you can see here we're looking for a list short links just within the test files. But then if you want to get rid of that, it'll show all of the different search results. If you're looking to get more familiar with VS Code, I highly recommend checking out the help menu. There's links to an interactive playground, as well as a bunch of introductory videos, as well as their own tips and tricks. Definitely, if you can kind of find an hour to kind of look through this, you'll probably improve your performance within VS Code pretty quickly.